What is up, money makers? Your frugal friend from Middle Child Makes Money is here, and tonight, we're unboxing the brand new iPhone 16 Plus in this absolutely gorgeous ultramarine. Is this the ultimate tool for your online hustle? Let's find out fast. Apple's latest has landed, and the anticipation is real. We're tearing into this thing right now to give you the first look. Wow, look at this color. Ultramarine is stunning. It's like holding the deep sea. First impressions in hand, feels super premium and surprisingly light for the size. To mention a key design change briefly feels great. Over the next few days on Middle Child Makes Money, we'll be putting the iPhone 16 Plus through its paces to see if it can truly boost your online income game. We're talking speed tests, camera battles, and seeing if those new features are worth your hard-earned cash. So, is the iPhone 16 Plus the ultimate tool for your hustle? Initial thoughts are looking good. What do you think of the ultramarine color? Let me know in the comments right now. Smash that like button if you're hyped for the iPhone 16 Plus. And subscribe to Middle Child Makes Money so you don't miss our full review. Thanks for the quick unboxing. Stay tuned for the full verdict. Let's make that money peace.
Hey Siri.